Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS EventBridge to Slack. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EventBridge section. Click on Create Rule to begin setting up a new event rule. Enter a name and an optional description for your rule. Select an event pattern based on the service you want to monitor. Choose the appropriate event source from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down to the Targets section. Click on Add Target and select Lambda function from the options. If you don't have a Lambda function set up, create one now. Open the AWS Lambda console in a new tab. Click on Create Function and choose Author from Scratch. Provide a function name and select a runtime. Under Permissions, create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Once created, click on your new function to edit it. In the function code, write the logic to send messages to Slack. Use a Slack webhook URL to post messages from your Lambda function. In a new browser tab, navigate to your Slack workspace. Go to Apps and select Incoming Webhooks. Click on Add to Slack to configure your webhook. Choose the channel where you want to send notifications. Copy the generated webhook URL for later use. Return to your Lambda function code. In your code, implement a post request to the Slack webhook URL. Ensure your Lambda function returns a success response on successful execution. Go back to your EventBridge rule and set the Lambda function as the target. Save your EventBridge rule. Test the configuration by triggering an event that matches your rule. Check the designated Slack channel for the notification. If successful, you've connected AWS EventBridge to Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.